All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of a second floor, 1-bedroom apartment, super close to Porter Square. All right, so it opens up to these nice hardwood floors in the living room. Windows, fire escape right there. Got a nice little decorative fireplace in the center with a mirror. That's the main door. Over here to this part of the apartment, got a good sized closet right there. Bathroom, shower tub combo, toilet, sink, vanity, little window. Over into the kitchen. All right. Bathroom, or fridge, counter, gas stove, cabinets up top. And there will be a working faucet there for the persons that move in. All right. Now over to the bedroom. Now there is heat and hot water included. No laundry in the building, but there's laundry just a couple of steps away, literally a couple of steps away, right next door. There's a laundromat right there. Kind of an irregular shaped closet, but we'll take it. All right, I hope you enjoyed our video walkthrough. This is Angel over at Leopold McMaster's Realty. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good one.